How to create QR code in Google Sheets. Let's go. I'm going to show you two different ways how to do it. Here's the first one. Click on extensions. Next, add-ons. We're gonna get add-on. I'm going to search QR generator. Personally, I haven't tried any of these, but only thing I know, they gonna get access to your Google account, so make sure you read those terms and conditions. And second way how to do it is super easy. So you just copy your URL. I'm going to paste it here like this. Then I'm gonna use this code. No worries, I'm gonna leave this code in the description below. Then you go to column B. You're just gonna simply paste it. And also make sure this one is your right column, okay? If you got some question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you.